Bulgaria is located in southeastern Europe. It has a rich history dating back to ancient times. The capital city is Sofia, which is also the largest city in the country. Bulgaria is known for its beautiful beaches along the Black Sea coast. The country is famous for its roses, which are used to make rose oil. The Bulgarian language is Slavic in origin. The national dish of Bulgaria is banitsa, a pastry filled with cheese. Bulgaria has a diverse landscape, including mountains, plains, and rivers. The traditional folk music of Bulgaria is known as chalga. The currency of Bulgaria is the Bulgarian lev. Bulgaria has a rich tradition of craftsmanship, including pottery and wood carving. The Rila Monastery is a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in Bulgaria. Bulgaria is home to 9 UNESCO World Heritage Sites in total. The country has a strong tradition of winemaking. Bulgaria is one of the oldest countries in Europe. The Bulgarian flag consists of 3 horizontal stripes, white, green, and red. The Cyrillic alphabet, which is used in Bulgaria, was invented by 2 Bulgarian brothers. Bulgaria has a relatively low cost of living compared to other European countries. The national animal of Bulgaria is the lion. Bulgaria is a parliamentary republic with a president as head of state. The population of Bulgaria is around 7 million people. The traditional dance of Bulgaria is called the horo. Bulgaria has a number of thermal springs, which are popular for their healing properties. The country has a strong tradition of folk art, including embroidery and weaving. The highest peak in Bulgaria is Musala, which is part of the Rila mountain range. Bulgaria has a rich tradition of storytelling and folklore. The country has a number of national parks, including Rila National Park and Piran National Park. Bulgaria is known for its delicious yogurt, which is said to have health benefits. The national holiday of Bulgaria is March 3rd, which celebrates the country's liberation from Ottoman rule. Bulgaria has a vibrant art scene, with many theaters, galleries, and museums. The Bulgarian Orthodox Church is the dominant religion in the country. Bulgaria has a strong tradition of celebrating holidays and festivals. The country has a number of different climates, including Mediterranean and continental. Bulgaria is famous for its monasteries, which are often located in remote and picturesque locations. The cuisine of Bulgaria is influenced by Turkish, Greek, and Slavic traditions. The Black Sea coast of Bulgaria is a popular destination for tourists. Bulgaria has a number of ancient ruins, including those from Roman and Thracian times. The festival of Kukri is a popular tradition in Bulgaria, where people dress up in elaborate costumes to scare away evil spirits. Bulgaria has a rich tradition of icon painting, which dates back to the Middle Ages. The traditional clothing of Bulgaria includes embroidered shirts and woolen skirts. The country has a number of natural wonders, including caves and waterfalls. Bulgaria has a strong tradition of martial arts, including wrestling and judo. The national sport of Bulgaria is football. The country has a number of traditional crafts, including pottery, wood carving, and weaving. Bulgaria is known for its colorful and ornate Easter eggs. The country has a strong tradition of herbal medicine, with many plants used for their healing properties. Bulgaria has a number of traditional musical instruments, including the gaida, bagpipe, and tambura, stringed instrument. The national emblem of Bulgaria is a lion rampant. Bulgaria has a strong tradition of storytelling and folk music. The country has a number of regional dialects, reflecting its diverse history. Bulgaria has a number of unique architectural styles, including Ottoman, Byzantine, and Bulgarian Revival. The Thracians were an ancient people who lived in what is now Bulgaria. Bulgaria has a number of fortresses and castles, which date back to Roman and medieval times. The country has a strong tradition of puppetry and mask making. Bulgaria has a number of botanical gardens, which showcase the country's diverse flora. The national drink of Bulgaria is rakia, a type of fruit brandy. Bulgaria has a number of traditional dances, including the rakonitsa and pravo horo. The country has a number of traditional musical instruments, including the kabul, wooden flute, and gadulka, stringed instrument. Bulgaria is known for its delicious pastries, including baklava and banitsa. The country has a number of ancient tombs, which are often decorated with intricate frescoes. Bulgaria has a strong tradition of folk art, including pottery, wood carving, and embroidery. The national dish of Bulgaria is shopska salad, a refreshing mix of tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, and feta cheese. Bulgaria has a number of traditional crafts, including pottery, rug making, and icon painting. The country has a number of traditional festivals, including the Rose Festival in Kazanlak. Bulgaria has a rich tradition of literature, with many famous writers and poets. The country has a number of national parks and protected areas, which are popular for hiking and wildlife watching. Bulgaria is known for its mountainous terrain, with the Balkan Mountains running through the center of the country. The national flower of Bulgaria is the rose, which is often used in perfumes and cosmetics.